Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a tripod or phone stand with a bump/mirror cube. So make sure to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell, and let's get started. So to make this tripod, you have to hold the thickest layer on the bottom and the thin one on the top, and make sure that the thinnest piece is on the top right and the thickest on the bottom left. Now do R2, U2, and the Perm, which I'll put the algorithm on the screen, or you can follow my fingers. So it goes like this: M2, U, M2, U2, M2, U, M2, and U2. The stand works great for small phones, but not for bigger phones because it's way too unstable. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can make a phone stand for phones that are much bigger than this. So all you have to do to make the cube more stable is turn it upside down and do the H-perm, which I just showed you before. So once you do it, you should get your cube much more stabler than it was before. And now it's probably much stabler, and now you can just take your phone and put it right in there. Now it's much easier to use. Even if you do have a small phone, you can still use it this way.